Right, so somebody has been dying to do this for absolutely forever. Somebody found out that we recently got sent some American candy into our P.O. box.
And I've been ignoring him for a week now.
So, I've given in. And Phoenix is going to help me try it.
Yay! This is who it's made from.
Phoenix is a big fan of this company he's never heard of. American Candy Store.
Why are you a big fan, Nix? Why do you want to do this?
Because I love candy.
Right, I mean, he loves candy. We asked his brother if he wanted to get involved, but Kobe didn't want to, so Kobe's gone to bed. And we're going to try this, aren't we?
Yeah. Pizza Pringles.
Pizza Pringles, Skittle Cotton Candy,
Strawberry Twinkies.
some Strawberry Berry Twinkies,
KFC Crisps. Got the Coca-Cola of dreams. Hershey's Strawberry and Cream.
serve you one now, go on. Mount Dew can of Spark. Which one do you want to try first?
I want to try this one first.
Straight in on the chocolate.
Yeah.
You've got to do a bit of a food review, yeah?
Okay.
What's it smell of?
Strawberry and raspberry thing.
Yeah. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Did you like that?
Yeah. I think it was good.
That
He's
was,
American, baby.
that was sweet and tangy and dog.
I would rate it 6 out of 10.
6 out.
Wow.
We've got an official review, right? It's a 6 out of 10. What's it smell of?
Nice.
It smells of sugar. I mean,
Yummy.
that was yummy, was it?
Yeah. I rate it a 8 out of 10.
Does it taste of Skittles?
It tastes like Skittles dipped in sugar. It does taste of Skittles, but just very sugary.
But isn't that what cotton candy is?
Yeah.
Not?
Yes.
Yeah, do you like that?
Yeah.
Loves it.
I rate it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
What do you rate it?
3.
Oh, come on. There's got to be something that you like.
Coca-Cola Dream World limited edition. Doesn't tell you what the flavour is. Just Dream World.
Just dreams.
It's like normal Coke.
No.
Ooh.
What's it smell of?
Smells like an air wick.
Ooh. Wow.
Good wow or bad wow?
Good wow.
I love it, Nick!
It smells
That's so good.
like a kid's bubble bath. That's what it smells like.
Let's drink it.
Oh my God. It's revolting. It tastes like bubble bath and then a Mount Dew Spark.
Ooh.
Right, okay.
Wow. Good. It just tastes normal. Like normal lemonade.
Yeah, I mean, he's right. It's like really, really sweet lemonade. It's like somebody's like dipped a lollipop in lemonade.
Let's try the Twinkies.
Let's try the Twinkies. So it's like a little cake, and inside it, it's got like a little flavour.
Okay.
We've gone in for a double bite straight off the bat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, that was an old wow, was it?
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Oh.
Right, high five. That is incredible. Tastes like a Swiss roll. Do you know what a Swiss roll is?
No, I don't.
Right.
It's showing your dad's age.
When we go shop, I'll buy a Swiss roll. Right?
A 9 out of 10.
Mate, I'm with you. I'll give you that a 9 out of 10 as well.
Pizza Pringles.
Pizza Pringle. I'm excited for this one. This is going to be a good ending to this taste testing, I think.
I rate it a 9 out of 10. Because it tastes like a normal Pringle.
He makes it a 9 out of 10 because it tastes just like a normal Pringle. Yeah, it tastes like a normal Pringle with like a bit of like tomato-y seasoning. Disappointing, I'll be honest. KFC original recipe Ruffles. Give it a smell.
Regular chicken crisp.
Just a regular chicken crisp. It tastes like roast chicken. It doesn't taste like a KFC chicken.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, tastes like a roast. Tastes more like a roast dinner. They should have stick roast dinner flavour on that. Right, everybody, thank you. I'll put the PO box address below. If you want to send us anything that you think we should try, we'll give it a go, or we'll go out and try and find some things. What do you think?
Yeah!
There goes the Mountain Dew.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.